Hi guys, today we're going to do a Minecraft Pocket Edition through the world.
Oh yeah, and we're also going to be making a big tower, so it's just...
Ooh, and we already have a house, really. We already have a house.
Yeah, it's like over there.
It's a sharp here, Ali Abbas, and a Gaga Gopas. Hey, my name is not Gaga Gopas, my name is Zay! Okay.
No, it's Musa.
No, Zay. No, it's not. It's just Zane, okay?
No, it's Musa.
I'm also going to get me in trouble. I'm Zane, actually. Yeah, Zane. So Zane, okay? Let's just stop turning in. Let's start. Yeah, first.
So I'm just going to add a yellow block. So like a yellow block. Alright, so that's done. I think the tower's done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow it up.
You need a hook. It's gonna explode. Are you ready to explode this tower?
Well, I guess.
And then this video will be in. Don't blow it up yet. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe if you have not, and let's blow up this tower.
Alright guys, we're back and I'm trying to blow this tower.
My next video will be 5 moles on the wall. 5 moles on the wall. Which one will you pick? Think it up 2. Think it up 3. Major burrows or a mole. How to defeat a mole.
We're gonna defeat.
And then, do you want to hear a little song to entertain you? I'm missing my tail. A tail. Okay, Ali Abbas, are you ready to blow up this tower?
Almost. Just we're at the end here. Oh, we're so close. Oh! And we are done.
I blew it up.
Let's get a hook. Sorry, house, but you're getting down.